Welcome to TechVerse, your go-to destination for the latest in mobile tech, gadgets, and accessories. We bring you in-depth reviews, hands-on insights, and expert opinions on the newest devices. Whether it's smartphones, drones, or cutting-edge accessories, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and step into the future of technology with TechVerse. So let's take a look at the FiberBorn case. This is really cool because they give you a stylish Aramid fiber textured case. But keep in mind, it's not real Aramid fiber, just the design. Unboxing it, we get a beautifully presented accessories kit. And here's what makes it stand out. You actually get a tempered glass screen protector included. This is a huge plus because the OnePlus 13 screen has those slight curves, making it tricky to find a perfect screen protector. FiberBorn has solved that issue by adding a precision cut protector with a fingerprint scanner cutout. Inside the box, we also get a full cleaning kit, ensuring you can apply the screen protector with zero bubbles. And of course, a small booklet if you want to check out more details about the case. Now, let's talk about the case itself. First impressions, it's gorgeous. The texture feels premium, and it's unbelievably light. We also get the MagSafe ring inside for added functionality. Plus, FiberBorn branding at the bottom gives it a clean and minimalistic look. Fitting the OnePlus 13 inside, the case snaps on securely. The fit is snug, buttons are super easy to press, and all the cutouts are precise. You get full access to the USB-C port, speakers, microphones, and even the IR blaster at the top. Now, let's talk about grip and protection. The Aramid fiber texture adds a nice grip, so it won't slip easily from your hands. The camera bump has a raised lip, offering excellent lens protection. However, while this case can handle everyday bumps and scratches, it may not be the best for heavy-duty drop protection. If you need military-grade protection, you might want to look at other options. But for those who prefer a sleek, lightweight, and stylish case while maintaining decent protection, this is a fantastic option. And don't forget, you also get a free screen protector for extra safety. Overall, the FiberBorn Aramid Fiber case for the OnePlus 13 is a perfect choice for minimalists who want a high-end look without sacrificing protection. If you're interested, check out the affiliate link in the description below for 15% off your purchase. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.